welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. I know you're asking yourself, but Mimi, what are you going to show us? Which wig? Honey, this wig. This is a braided wig, a full lace braided wig, HD lace. Okay, look at that. This is what we're working with today, and this is my favorite wig. I am so in love with this wig. It makes me feel so good about myself. I feel really good. Okay, I look young. I'm so excited, you guys. So without any waste of time, you guys, let's get straight into today's video so that you can see it for yourself.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So I quickly wanted to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver, and let me show you all the nice goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me this hair clipper, HD wig cap, and of course a branded Luvme hair storage bag. So now this is my favorite part of the video, guys. This is the wig, you guys, that I'm going to be showing you today. It is Luvme hair braids, and the first thing that I'm just impressed with this wig. Okay, this is a full lace braided wig. Look at the parting. Full lace with drawstrings. This is HD lace, by the way. Okay, look at that. This was nicely done. The knots are bleached. Look how transparent this lace looks, you guys. Look at the braids. This was neatly done. All right, I am so impressed. Okay, so this wig has this adjustable belt, and it also has drawstrings. Wow, so you can adjust your your wig so that it fits perfectly, especially right here at the back. See, and this is HD lace, so it is nice and stretchy as well. Very soft. I'm impressed. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Okay, so we're gonna put her on our head. I'm so excited to see how I'm going to look with this wig. All right, look at that. Wow, Luvme hair. Wow. Yo, where's the lace? What? This is HD lace. HD lace. Look at that. Look at the parting space. Guys, look at all these parts. Hey, this wig is going to be turning heads. No, let me hear. I'm impressed. I don't want to lie, I'm impressed. So I'm just going to I'm going to just adjust the drawstrings, right, so that this wig can be nice and secure, even though we're still going to glue it down. All right,
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
If you don't like sitting for hours, actually who likes sitting for hours doing their hair anyway, you have to get this wig. Like, I promise you, it feels good, it feels really lightweight, it is the best.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
This is my favorite wig. This is my favorite wig. Yo. Wow.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous braided wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.